Hey everyone, Chef Oswald here, and today I'm going to share an incredible and versatile recipe for vegan scrambled eggs. That's right, vegan eggs. Got your curiosity piqued? Stick with us for the next few minutes. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. First, give the mung beans a good rinse and then soak them in warm water for at least 6 hours or overnight. After that, drain and rinse them. Now, place the mung beans in the blender. Add all the other ingredients, black salt for that eggy flavor, onion powder, turmeric powder, nutritional yeast, coconut milk, olive oil, and lemon zest. Blend until you get a creamy and smooth mixture. Remember to adjust the flavors to your personal preferences. Next, heat a nonstick skillet over medium-low heat and pour about 1/4 cup of the mixture onto the hot skillet. Cover and cook for a few minutes until the edges are dry and you see bubbles on the surface. You can enjoy them just like scrambled eggs or cook them longer for a different texture. And there you have it. Delicious and versatile vegan eggs to enjoy for breakfast, brunch, or in any dish you use eggs for. This mixture is also great for customizing with your favorite spices and ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that it brings a tasty vegan twist to your kitchen. Remember, veganism doesn't mean giving up on flavor. Thank you so much for watching and for all your support. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and vegan tips. Big hug, and until next time.